The Moon is the closest celestial body to the Earth and is Earth's only natural satellite. It is approximately 3,400 kilometers in diameter and orbits in a relatively circular path at an average distance of 380,000 kilometers from the Earth. It takes about 1 month to make one full orbit, and this in fact is where we get our month from. The Sun is about 400 times farther away from the Earth than the Moon is, and interestingly is also 400 times larger than the Moon. This means that from the Earth they appear to be about the same size. As far as astronomers know, the Earth is the only planet with this view, and it is because of this special view that we are able to view solar and lunar eclipses. Indeed, when the Moon comes in between the Earth and Sun, the Moon covers the Sun so precisely that we are able to view a stunning image of the corona. This view allows astronomers to unlock the chemical composition of the Sun using spectral analysis. To the naturalistic mind, there is no reason why the Sun and Moon are just the right sizes and distances to allow for eclipses. Additionally troubling for the naturalist is the fact that the distance of the Sun to the Earth is absolutely perfect for life, giving us on Earth just the amount of heat and light we need to survive. If the Earth were any more distant from the Sun, then the planet would be too cold for life. Conversely, if Earth were any closer, it would be too hot. Astronomers call this area the Earth is in the Goldilocks zone, because it is just right for life. There are many more of these just right conditions, so many in fact that it has become a fundamental truth in science, called the anthropic principle. Many scientists have concluded that this finely tuned universe must be crafted by the hands of a creator. Indeed, the Bible tells us in its very first verse that it was God who created the entire universe. Later in that passage, the history of the Moon and Sun, called the Lesser and Greater Lights, is also recorded. Genesis chapter 1 verses 14 to 19 record, "Then God made 2 great lights, the greater light to rule the day, and the lesser light to rule the night. He made the stars also. God set them in the firmament of the heavens to give light on the earth, and to rule over the day and over the night, and to divide the light from the darkness." Using the Bible as our starting point, these scientific discoveries are no surprise. The almighty hand of God is clearly seen as we peer into space.